first off, Bronco Nights. If you guys actually are interested in the Bronco Nights t-shirts and stuff like that, or something like that, please hit the like button. If we get 1,000 likes, we'll come up with a t-shirt idea and actually put it out there for you guys. I think it's a good idea, something to bring the community together, something to help our channel. Again, the likes really help the algorithm for us and watching the videos. And again, we do appreciate the videos being watched the last couple times. And 1,000 likes, we'll come up with a plan and start making t-shirts. Bronco Nights.
Hurry up before our battery dies.
It's got 80%.
Yeah.
Now it's got 2%.
Yeah.
Damn it. Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
She's laughing at me. And this is another video talking about the issues regarding the Bronco Sport. Now, first off, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more information on what goes on with basically issues and warranty and recall for the Bronco and Bronco Sport. The Bronco Sport is the only one out right now, so that's the only one we're doing. When the Bronco comes out, we'll be doing videos for that as well as they come out. Now, to give anybody who hasn't seen the last video on the issues for the Bronco Sport, Jill works for a Ford dealership and she gets notifications directly from Ford. Now, these issues aren't from a third-party website or a forum where somebody's brother's best friend's cousin's sister's boyfriend works for a place and they heard a rumor from a guy at a gas station. It's directly from Ford. Now, we aren't going to read them exactly because there is proprietary information from Ford to the dealerships themselves, and we don't want to get into any legal issues or
my job.
her lose her job because something was said that shouldn't have been. So we're keeping that out. We do have the paper here. We will keep it covered, though she tends to wave it around. Well, we keep it covered, but we do have the information here regarding any kind of issues. Now, like before, if we have an issue that is just a minor issue, warranty issue, you know, something you can wait on, we'll give it to you every Monday or the Monday after it comes out. If it is basically a catastrophic failure or safety related, we will let you know immediately. Probably that night, we'll do a video and send it out that night as well. This is basically just a warranty thing. It's not necessarily safety related. It has to do with the headlights, and
There's a dark spot in the headlights, and it's most noticeable when your headlights are on a high beam. So basically the service advisors would just basically bring you in, and you can do this at your next oil change or whatever, but they would just basically just realign your headlights.
so what she was talking about is basically what she was talking about, the dark spot is in the horizon. As you see the lights, you'll notice it kind of dips down like this. That's by design, so that's already there. But the fact that the headlights are aimed down further is the fact that it's really prominent at high beam, because it will actually, you'll really notice the dark dip in it. And again, this is by design, so you don't blind the people that are coming the opposite direction. You don't want to be that guy who blinds everybody with his headlights, even though they're on low beams, because the guy adjusted them so they basically search for aircraft. You want to make sure that it's done correctly. It doesn't become a safety related issue to somebody else coming the other way. Trust me, I see those people coming the other way on the really dark road I drive every morning. It really becomes annoying, and it really becomes a safety issue when you can't see anything, or any deer rather, in the road as you pass the person. So again, let the technicians basically adjust them at the next oil change. If it is a major issue, like they're really aimed down, have it done immediately, call them up, let them know. And again, this is covered under warranty. Do not do it yourself.
Yeah, if you do anything that's warranty related yourself, you're gonna pretty much not have Ford cover it.
Yeah.
So you will be out of pocket for the expense.
Yeah, if basically there's any damages done to it because you try to fix the warranty issue,
You're on the hook.
you're basically, they're not gonna repair your car, they're not gonna basically cover it from what we've seen. Again, you know, these videos are there to help you know what issues might go on. You might not see these. They might not affect every Bronco or Bronco Sport. But again, they're nice to know that they are covered if you do have any issues.
Right?
And
Pretty much it. Leave a comment down below if you experienced some dark spots in your headlights. We would love to know.
basically how you fixed them or when you got them fixed. If you've, you know, went in and scheduled an appointment or anything like that. Again, you know, we love to hear your comments. We do like the fact that you liked the last video. It seemed to be one of my best videos already, is basically the issues. I do like all the comments.
We do read and respond to every single one.
So, like I said before, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We think it's necessary to help the Ford community out or the Bronco community out. We only do the Broncos and Bronco Sports because we plan on getting a Bronco, in fact, hopefully summertime.
We'll link the other 2 videos down below. Okay. 3 rather.
Okay. Do follow us on Instagram, Twitter,
TikTok,
and MySpace. Don't forget MySpace. It's coming back. Okay. Hope you like this. We'll get one. It's still out there, I'm sure. Mike's our friend. He's everybody's friend. We'll hope to see you next video, and have a nice day.
Go Bronco Knives! Woo!